do not walk, run and grab this deal. This is all 4 of these remote control construction vehicles right here. You get the excavator, you get the dump truck, you get the loader, you get the bulldozer. I mean, this is an unbelievable deal, guys. I've never seen them this cheap, and these are awesome and fun to play with. They're full function. You can dump here. They got lights on them that you can turn off and on with the remote. They got little sound effects. It sounds like the engine running and everything. I just cannot believe this deal. I've included a link right here so you can go check it out, but act fast on these because there's no doubt these are going to sell out.